Hi, I'm Keith and I work at Traction Guest.
Hi, I'm Kevin and I am part of the organizing team for Traction's 2017 Dreamforce experience.
Every year we help event planners like Kevin try and understand their visitors better.
If you haven't been to Dreamforce before, it is a mega conference with over 150,000 people invading San Francisco to learn about cloud computing and the Salesforce platform.
The challenges are broad, and immediately we hear people who are on the phone who are under a great deal of pressure to prove value in the spend that they're doing with their organization.
Some of you may already be familiar with our visitor management platform, Traction Guest. You may not know that we've been using it at Dreamforce for the past 3 years to better understand each and every person that we engage with at the event.
Collecting information at an event is one part of the challenge. We've created a mobile application platform that allows people to do that.
There's additional context to each and every prospect that you're engaging with.
We've created Traction Guest to interact with some of the tools that event organizers use to send out invites ahead of time. Platforms like Eventbrite and Salesforce campaigns can be used in the registration process so that people are recognized when they arrive.
Dreamforce is such a big experience and everybody is expected to be everywhere all at the same time. Traction Guest provides us the ability to notify those hosts of when people are engaging with you. So I have an executive that walks into the whiskey bar and signs in. Immediately, one of my sales reps is notified that they're there and they can make their way back to the whiskey bar instead of searching for them down at Dreamforce.
Not only can we take the information gathered at check-in, but we can put it directly in the place in Salesforce that it needs to be for all those automated workflow rules, for people who are actually going to look at the interface and try and understand the many interactions that you're having with your customer, both at events and in your office lobbies.
To have that understanding of where you engage with them, makes that context and follow-up easier, but it also provides a better understanding of where you're effectively spending your money on these events.
Lead scoring, using Einstein Analytics, all of that becomes a reality so that you can take the information gathered and action on it.
From both an event planning standpoint as well as from a lead gen perspective, Traction Guest has been a fantastic addition to our Dreamforce experience.